Do another example on writing and solving equations. And so let me jump into this. So I am going to take a picture and I'm going to draw on that picture. Remember the acronym that we're using is CUBES, CUBE and S. So C stands for circle. So we're going to circle all the numbers. The U stands for underline the units of those numbers. And then B stands for box. Box up what we're looking for. And then E stands for equation. So we've got to come up with an equation. And then S stands for solve. So this is the acronym that we're going to use. And I'm going to go through each step and I'm going to show you how you use it. So the very first thing you're going to do is we're going to circle all the numbers. So the number is 2158. So I'm going to circle that. And then the next number is $1,130.50. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to circle 1,150. And then the next number is 6850. So I'm going to circle that number, 6850. Now, the units are, I'm going to put in blue, the units are dollars, and this last one is dollars per player. All right. So if I were to write this, this would be 2158, 1130.50, and then this would be $68 per player. Now, if I'm going to write an equation, I forgot the box. So now what we got to do is we're going to box up what we're looking for, and that is right here. We're going to box up the number of players the team can bring to the tournament, and the variable that we're going to use for that is X. So our equation is going to be, what's the total? Yep, they rented a bus. Okay, so it's going to be 1,130.50 because that's what we have to use to rent the bus, and it's going to cost $68.50 per player. And the amount of money that we raised altogether was $2,158. Now, the only thing that we're missing is where does the X go? Well, if you can see, the X units is players. So that's going to go with this. So we would put an X here. So it's going to be 1,000. So our equation is going to be $1,030.50 plus $68.50 per player is equal to 2158. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do boxes and circles to solve this. So what I would do is I would put this number in a circle. I'm going to put this number right here in a box, and I'm going to put this number here in a circle. Draw my line down the middle where the equal sign is, and I'm going to take this circle and I'm going to move it over here where this other circle is, because circles want to be with other circles. But if I cross the line, I must change the sign. So this is going to be negative 1130.50. And then what we're going to do is we're going to subtract these. So 2158 minus $1,130.50 is going to be 0.50. That would be 28. So this is going to be 27. And then this will be 10. So we have $1,027.50 remaining. On this side, it's going to be $68.50 per player. This is going to be in the box. Now the last step is always to divide by whatever number is in your box. So this will be 6850. And I don't know what this is off the top of my head, so I'm going to use a calculator to figure it out. So this is 1027.5 divided by 6850, and that means X is equal to 15 players. So that's the number of players that we could bring. So let me go back to DeltaMath, and I'm going to enter that just to show you how this should go. So it'll be 113.0.5 plus 68.5 x equals 2158. And then when we solved it, we got 15. Let's submit this bad boy. And there we go. And that's how you would do it. All right.